Hi guys, we're here in the Chiang Rainforest and we're just going to show you a little bit of the amazing stuff that we're seeing today. Say hi, Margaux.
Hi.
What's her name? Ping, right?
Huh?
What's her name?
It's a Ping Ping.
Ping Ping. Put swati.
สวัสดี
Okay. คุณแม่ say
ส
hi.
วัสดีค่ะ ไฮ
แล้วอยู่ที่ไหนอ่ะ
เราอยู่ที่น้ำตกภูซางอำเภอเชียงค
สวยไหม
ำสวยมาก
No? Okay, I'm going to show
ๆ
you.
It's the only warm waterfall in Thailand.
The reason it's the only warm waterfall in Thailand is because this waterfall is fed by hot springs. And so it's really, really warm and beautiful and the water is super clear. It's incredible. And here, we're kind of just walking around in the rainforest and I'll show you kind of what we're seeing. We feel super, super tiny, don't we, Margaux? The trees are a good, what, 50 meters? 40 meters high. And they're huge and it's so beautiful. Okay, we're gonna finish looking around here and then we're gonna go swimming in the waterfalls. Talk to you guys later.